Gathered at the start line. Here we go, boys, and off.
On you, Tommy.
The first strokes of our race. And you see everyone else has already left us standing.
How long before I get in?
See what he says.
Oh, Bill! Pete, how are you?
Before I know what it feels like.
That is powder. That's our problem.
On the floor.
And they're everywhere.
How long do I have to climb?
Been going on in your mind and...
I ran out of power.
Yeah.
So that was, I think, for all of us, was a big downer.
Really.
Tell you guys aren't very good pirates.
Lollies.
In the trees, every chance that you get is a chance you seize. How long am I gonna stand with my head stuck under the sand? I'll stop before I can stop.
Water is essential today.
Things the right way up. All that noise and all that sound, all those places I got found. Birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began.
A Kiwi boat competing in the Indian Ocean rowing race has gone missing. It hasn't been heard from since Saturday, and a support vessel is on its way to the boat's last known position.
I mean, the team's morale's still great, you know. As I said, that's our key strength, is our morale.
Have a bit of movement.
Sliding seat.
The buildings that you put up, or Japan and China, all lit up. A sign that I couldn't read, or a light that I couldn't see. Some things you have to believe, but others are puzzles puzzling me. All that noise and all that
And this is Radio Sport on the Sporting Breakfast. Let's go to the middle of the Indian Ocean.
Radio Sport's rowing for Prostate has gone missing in the Indian Ocean.
The men lost radio contact with support staff.
Naturally you worry, but they have the best possible support that they could have.
Family of the 4 New Zealand ocean rowers found safe and well after losing radio contact say they're extremely relieved.
News Talk ZB. We are going out into the Indian Ocean right now. Got Tom Wigram and Matt Hample on the line from the guys that are rowing for Prostate.
But we all got off the boat and our legs were just emancipated, and you honestly look like you're a drunken sailor with no booze in you. It's very frustrating.
All those